Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I will show you how to bypass the Google verification on this device. And as you can see, the phone in front of me has a lock, and it can be unlocked either using a pattern or using the Google account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, we're just gonna bypass it. So, to get started, let's go back to the first page right over here and change the language to any kind of other language that uses a different keyboard. So basically from the bottom anywhere up to, where is it, somewhere like right here, all the languages below will work. So I'm just gonna select, I believe, Russian, but I could be wrong, I don't speak the language. So from here, oops, it didn't look like it's selected. Oh no, there it is. So from here, once you have changed the language, what you want to do is progress through the setup again and get back to the point of being locked out. So let's change it to the Google account right here. Tap on a field and it will bring up a keyboard, and as you can see there is a globe icon. So you want to hold that globe icon. It will bring up a couple different languages right here, or keyboards per se. And what you want to do is tap on this last option right over here. Then tap on Add Keyboard, which is this blue button at the bottom. And from here, you want to select any keyboard that doesn't have an arrow. As you can see, there's a couple with an arrow, but we're interested in the ones without the arrow. So just select one right here, and then let's tap on Add, which is again the blue button. And once you do add it, go back again to the first page and change back to your desired language. Once you do that, again, we're gonna get back to the Google locked page. Now I'll also mention, keep in mind the device is right now locked to a pattern, and we will change that. So again, let's tap on the field and again hold the globe icon, and this time around you want to change it to QWERTY, which is the second option. Hold it again and go to language settings. Again, add a keyboard, and this time around you're looking for a one with an arrow. So as you can see, there's Albanian. Let's select that. From here, tap on the three dots, go to help and feedback. And in here, you want to tap on the describe your issue part and type in Morse code, or MO. Usually brings it up as suggested. So as you can see, the first one, use Morse code. Let's select it. And from here, you can see that there's a video. You want to tap on it. It will load it up and give you a three-dot option right over here. So let's tap on it and choose watch later. And this will in turn open up web browser. And there we go. So accept and continue, and no thanks, we don't want to sync anything. And from here, let's just go to the search bar right here and navigate to HardReset.Info/bypass. As you can see, there we go, HardReset.Info/bypass. Go to it. And from here, you want to scroll down to the Settings app. Simply tap on it and it will open up Settings on your phone. And once that happens, you want to scroll down to Security, Screen Pinning, turn on Screen Pinning, and then turn on Lock Device when unpinning. And this will bring up the option for you to simply add a locking method. Now when you select from here a locking method, it will override the previous one. So I'm gonna go, as we already seen, our unlocking method, at least for me, was the pattern. So I'm gonna go with a pin this time around, just to keep it a little bit different. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now whichever pin you choose, it doesn't really matter, you can select any kind of pin. I'm just selecting one, super easy. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, just to confirm it. And now it's set. So from here, what you want to do is go back There we go. And again, let's now unlock it. And as you can see, there we go. This is where we had the verify pin, pattern, and now it's a verify pin. So let's confirm it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, unlock it, and we can now skip signing into Google. So the device is basically unlocked, but still not quite. So once you actually unlock it, it is still advised that you go and finish up the setup and go to the settings and perform a reset of the device. So I'm going to quickly finish this up and show you where you can find it. Okay, so once you're on the home screen, what you want to do is go to the settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, tap on Advanced and choose Reset Options and select Erase All Data Factory Reset. It will give you a message that performing this will remove things like your Google account, which we have none of here, but the device still keeps the old account that was blocking us in its memory. So once you basically reset it from here, again you need to confirm the PIN that you have set. You can then tap on Erase All Data and this will begin the process. And you do it just so it removes the old account that was blocking us and leaves nothing from it. Performing it through settings will basically remove everything, while performing a reset through recovery mode will keep the Google account. So that's why we're doing it from here. But once you reset it, it will go back to the setup screen, at which point you can just simply go through the setup again. But that time around, once it's been reset, you don't actually need to bypass anything. The device will be fully unlocked at that point, and you can set it up as however you like. So you can add or skip Wi-Fi connection, your Google accounts can add it or also not, just disregard it. It's completely up to you. But that is basically how you would bypass the Google verification on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.